My name's Si Haraway. I am the Business Development Manager here at METClean, and today we will be looking at our frequently asked questions. Our machines are fully automated. They use a mixture of air and water pressure, pneumatic air injections causing cavitation within inside the core of the DPF, giving it the best possible clean. And all of our machines are completely chemical free. You can expect consistent industry-leading recovery rates. Our machines reliably return filters back to 98% of new. We do this using the perfect balance of air and water, and no extreme pressures, so no risk of damage in the cores. The whole range is very versatile. In addition to DPFs, they're all capable of effectively cleaning SCRs, EGRs, GPFs, OPFs, intercoolers and radiators. So the whole range has been designed to be incredibly economical. All but one of the filters on the machines is lifetime use. The sediment bag filter, you're looking to get between 100 and 120 washes before that has to be changed. Other than that, you're just using water and air pressure. Your running costs on the machine will be roughly £1 per clean. This includes a rapid return on investment and high profit margins. So the machines require 32 amp power supply, 6mm cable back to the fuse box with a 40 amp C-type breaker. The machines will run a cleaning cycle on 13 amps, a standard 13 amp socket, but if you're wanting to use the heated dryer or the water heater, then you will require 32 amps. Air supply, you will need 5 bars of pressure with a minimum flow rate of 15 CFM. So here at METClean, we pride ourselves on providing unrivaled customer support. When choosing METClean, you gain direct access to our dedicated UK-based support team and expert engineers. All of the machines come with 12 months warranty, and all parts are in stock in our Met HQ. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to get in contact with a member of our team.